Have you seen the Maas and Bath Ergo Z pillow online? It's being promoted as this amazing ergonomic pillow that can give you super comfy sleep, support your neck, reduce pain, and even prevent injuries. Sounds pretty appealing, right? The pillow promises to work for any sleep position, claiming it's soft yet firm, comfortable, safe, and even easy to clean with breathable fabric. Now, the idea of an ergonomic pillow isn't new. Many pillows are designed to give better support for your neck and head, which can help with sleep quality. But the big question is whether this particular pillow actually lives up to all the hype it's getting online. Looking at customer reviews, there are definitely some mixed experiences. Some people say it helped them sleep better and gave good support, but others ran into problems. Some users reported the pillow never fully expanded, felt too hard or too flat, and had a strong chemical smell when first opened. There are also complaints about poor customer service and difficulties getting refunds if the pillow didn't meet expectations. The marketing for this pillow is also a bit questionable. It claims to be designed by orthopedic specialists and even calls itself award-winning, but there's no information about which specialists were involved or what awards it actually received. The health benefits like healing injuries or significantly reducing neck pain aren't backed by any medical studies or FDA approval, so those claims should be taken with caution. Another thing to consider is the price. While it's sold officially for around $50, the same pillow can be found on Alibaba for just a few dollars. This huge markup suggests it might be a dropshipping model, where the product is bought cheap and resold at a high profit, which isn't necessarily a scam, but it does make you question the value for money. So, is it legit or a scam? The pillow itself might provide some comfort and support, but the exaggerated claims, unverified awards, questionable expert endorsements, and high price compared to its actual cost make it hard to fully trust. If you're thinking about buying, it's important to research, read reviews carefully, and know that the benefits might not be as magical as the ads suggest. In the end, if you want a supportive, ergonomic pillow, there are other options out there with verified reviews and transparent claims that could be worth looking into. Maas and Bath Ergo Z pillow might work for some, but just be cautious about the marketing hype and price tag.